Hi, we're the Sandlapper RVers. We're camping at Lake Wateree State Park in South Carolina. This is the entrance you see right here. You just turn right into the park, go straight through the guard gate, which was unoccupied when we came in. You go all the way down the road till you get to the camp store. You will go past the sign that says Riverside Campground. The Riverside Campground, as you will see, has 72 campsites. On your way to the camp store, you'll cross over this causeway, which is pretty spectacular looking. As you get near the check-in site, the camp headquarters, on your left you'll see some picnic tables, a great view of the lake, and you will also see a nice playground for the kids. At the camp store headquarters, this is where you will check in to go camping. In the camp store they sell bait, tackle, camping supplies, and there's also a dock right behind it, and they sell gasoline there for your boat. Okay, let's take a look at the sites. This is site number 1. Site number 2, number 3, and campground site number 4. This is site number 5. Like here, there are places where you can pull your boat up and tie them off so they don't float away. Site number 6. And this is campsite number 7. This is campsite number 8. Site number 9. Site number 10. This is campsite number 11. It's a good spot to be if you got a boat. And this is site number 12. And this is site number 13. 14. This is site 15. And this is campsite 16. This is site number 17. This is site number 18. Site number 19. This is number 20. Nice lady here with her puppy. Here you can park your golf cart and walk down to the lake and look around. It's pretty nice down there. And this is number 22. Site number 23. Number 24, this is our campsite. 5. Site number 26. 27, pull through. 28. And site number 30. Site number 31. Number 32. Site number 33. Site 34. Site 35. Site 36. Site 37. Site 38. 39. Site number 40. Site 41. Got a little rough spot here and there. Pull through. Site 43. 44. Site 45. 46. Near the restroom, shower facility. Site 47. Site 48, right adjacent to the shower facility restroom. It's an ADA campsite. Site 49. Site 51, pull through. Site 52. Site 53. Site 54, got a little rough spot there in the asphalt. Site 55. Site 56. Site 57. Site 58. Site 59. Site number 60. Site number 61. Site number 62. Site number 63. Site number 64. 65. It's got 2 huge pine trees, some rough looking asphalt. Site number 66. Site number 67, got a little rough spot on the asphalt. Site 68. This is site number 69. And this is the comfort station, bathrooms and showers. Site number 70. 71. Site number 72. To get to Taylor's Creek Campground, after you check in, you'll head back out like you're going to exit the park, but the campground will be on your right. This is the entrance to Taylor Creek Campground, sites 73 through 100. That's the camp host at Taylor's Creek. Yeah, these bathrooms are really nice. They're small, they're onesies. This is site 73. It's a pull through Taylor's Creek. This is site 74, Taylor's Creek. This is site 75, a pull through. Site 76. This is site 77, a pull through Taylor's Creek. Site 78. Site 79, pull through. Site 80, Taylor's Creek, right on the marsh. This is site 81. And this is site 82. Site 83. Site 84. Site 85. Site 86. Site 87. And this is site 88. Site 89. This is site number 90. Site 91. This is site number 92. This is site number 93. This is site 94. This is site 95, number 96. Site number 97. Site number 98. Ooh.
That's 98.
Site number 99, right by the restrooms. This is site 100. It's an ADA site, right next to the restrooms and shower, which are very clean on the inside, by the way. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoy camping at Lake Wateree. Don't forget to like and subscribe.